Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to check activation date of your iPhone device and when unboxing and when turn on first time. So let's start the video. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start. Firstly, open your Safari and tab iUnlocker .com and tab on Go. So friends, scroll down. So friends, you can see here, just enter serial number or IMEI number. So friends, go back and open your settings. Scroll down, tab on general, tab on about. So friends, you can see here serial number. So friends, tab on serial number and copy. So go back and again go to Safari, tab on search and tab again. So tab on paste. So friend, it is not big deal that anyone can hack your serial number or with anything with your serial number. So don't worry about your serial number. So friends, when you tab on check, then all the information and details of your iPhone, when is unboxing and when is first time turn on and about purchasing date, model number or everything you can see here within minute. So tab on check, wait few seconds. So friends, scroll down and you can see here about all the details of my iPhone. So friends, you can see here purchase date, activation date. So you can see also your iPhone warranty and Apple Care and registered device and serial number. You can easily see all the details. So friends, you can also copy report and download screenshot of report. So if you want to download screenshot, then tab on download screenshot. So friends, all the devices of Apple you can search here with IME or serial number. So friends, go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to check activation date of your iPhone and also check warranty and also check when you unboxing your iPhone device. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.